Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 14th, 2025, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of Equity Bancshares. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Equity Bancshares has had an eventful quarter, especially with their recent acquisition of NBC Oklahoma, which has significantly impacted their financials.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Equity Bancshares reported a net loss of $29.7 million for the quarter. However, when adjusted for certain expenses, the EPS stands at $1.17. John, can you explain the factors behind these numbers?
Absolutely. The net loss is primarily due to merger-related expenses and losses from repositioning their bond portfolio. However, the adjusted EPS of $1.07 indicates strong underlying performance, especially with net interest income rising to $62.5 million, driven by the NBC merger. The net interest margin also expanded to 4.45%, reflecting improved asset yields.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Equity Bancshares has been active on the acquisition front. They completed the NBC Oklahoma acquisition and announced a merger with Frontier Holdings. How are these moves shaping their growth strategy?
The NBC acquisition added significant loan and deposit balances, boosting their loan portfolio to $4.3 billion and deposits to $5.1 billion. The Frontier merger, once completed, will expand their footprint into Nebraska, adding further scale and market presence. These strategic moves are positioning Equity for long-term growth and market expansion.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operational efficiency is crucial for any financial institution. Equity Bancshares reported non-interest expenses of $49.1 million. How are they managing these costs, and what does the future hold?
Despite the increase in non-interest expenses due to the NBC acquisition, Equity has managed to maintain a strong efficiency ratio. They've also increased their dividend by 20% and renewed their share repurchase program, signaling confidence in their financial health. Looking ahead, they anticipate a tax rate between 17% and 19%, which should support their profitability.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 99 cents for Equity Bancshares, based on a survey of 3 analysts. The actual adjusted EPS came in at $1.17. What does this tell us about the company's performance?
This is a significant beat on expectations, indicating that Equity Bancshares is performing well above analyst predictions. The higher EPS reflects their successful integration of NBC and effective cost management, which are driving better-than-expected financial results.
Key takeaways. In summary, Equity Bancshares has navigated a challenging quarter with strategic acquisitions and strong financial management. Despite a net loss, their adjusted EPS beat expectations, and they continue to expand their market presence. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. Equity Bancshares is certainly a company to watch as they continue to execute their growth strategy.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Equity Bancshares' performance in the comments below.